Hello, welcome to the New Sky Bay YouTube channel. As an introduction, this is a macroeconomic and financial markets commentary and education channel. And so what I have in mind and what value I want to give to you as a viewer and hopefully a subscriber is I want to provide a really in-depth but elementary explanation and in-depth, up-to-date commentary and education of macroeconomic developments, and specifically how it relates to financial markets. So i.e. why does one inflation report over here equate to this market going up and down over here? And I'll be getting into all of it: stocks, bonds, commodities, foreign exchange, and maybe even as impossible as it is, maybe even a bit of crypto. So I want this to be at least close to being a comprehensive commentary for viewers to digest frequently and regularly. Specifically, I'll be doing weekly debriefs, so what happened in the previous week, and on a Sunday I'll be doing primers for the week coming up. What's to look for, what data is coming out, what Fed speakers are there, what central bank decisions are coming out, what's moving and what's planned in the economic world, and specifically what influence it's going to have and what influence it does have backwards looking on financial markets and why. So I want it to be first and foremost this running commentary of what's happening. This data's come out, here's the influence it has, here's what you need to know. That's what I want to provide to you as a viewer, and again, hopefully a subscriber. But also, if you are completely new to economics and markets and trading and investing, if you're completely new to it, yet you have this burning passion to get involved, and you love this, you love the memes and the idea of stonks, and you like the look of financial markets, but you just feel like there's so much information out there, and you don't know why this is happening, and why this is important, and what influence it's having on the markets. I want this to be, one, a running commentary on what's happening, but two, specifically, an explanation as to why it's happening, if that makes sense to you as well. So I want it to be the two. So what I have planned in my head is, one, I'll be doing a weekly debrief on a Saturday. I'll be explaining what moved markets in the week just been, the previous week, what data points came out, what it means for the US economy, what it means for the UK, the Eurozone, Japan, China, all of the auxiliary majors, but specifically America. And then on a Sunday, I'll be giving a primer for the week coming up. And then in the week, on big data points, planned or unplanned, I'll be doing primers. So what you need to understand heading into the next inflation report, the next labor report, the next GDP reading, the big data points that will be coming out, that you as a viewer and someone who wants to get started in investing, or maybe even wants to improve your own investing or trading, a running up-to-date point of view and commentary of what to expect, keeping you up to date, and then as it happens, debriefing on what has happened, what you need to know moving forward, right? That's what I seek to achieve with this channel. That running commentary, taking all of the information that's happening in the financial world, in the economic world, in the markets world, and wrap it up, put a nice bow on it, and give it to you as a viewer, hopefully subscriber, for you to easily digest and stay up to date and know what's going on. So I want this to be one, I'm not going to be telling you what's going to happen. I'm not going to be giving any partisan opinion. I'm not going to pretend to be some kind of guru who knows what's happening and telling you what's happening. I'm just going to be, what's going to happen, I'm simply going to be reporting on what is happening and what it means for markets in the short term and maybe even the long term. So that's what this channel is going to be. If that's something you like the sound of, please check out my content and please consider subscribing. I'll see you in future videos, and good luck.